Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. To take it, open our settings application, Google Chrome or settings application, where we have more information than you have on the one side of screen, where we can scroll something. Where we are on it, we press volume down and power key together at the same time. And after that we choose this first icon, and now after it is creating our long screenshot, when we tap, we stop it, we stop creating and confirm all by done. And after processing we have our long screenshot, which we can easily save in our gallery by this icon. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.